Hi everyone. Are you a Salesforce admin who is trying to level up your Salesforce skills? Or a Salesforce developer who is trying to become an architect? Or an AI enthusiast who wants to take maximum advantage of Salesforce implementations? Well, Salesforce App Builder certification falls right in the junction of all these subject matters. Watch this video till the end and encourage us by subscribing to Cloud Applied. Let's have an overview of what all we are going to discuss in this video. Why Salesforce App Builder certification and the certification overview. What the certifications prepare you for. So it's generally like we prepare for certifications, but I would like to point out what this certifications prepares us for and the resources that are helpful for the cracking the certification and conclusion. So why Salesforce App Builder certification? So if you see solution architect path and technical architect path, one common certification is platform app builder. Whichever certification path you choose or whichever career path you choose, platform app builder is part of both the worlds, the solutioning part and the technical part. And this makes it most important certification in the entire Salesforce ecosystem. So that will make you to understand the basic no code implementations. Moving on, certification overview. In total, there are 65 questions and 5 questions are unscored questions. Generally, Salesforce put these questions to understand the user responses. So the time allotted is 1 hour 45 minutes or 105 minutes. And the passing score is 63%. So that is minimum 38 questions to be answered correctly out of 60. Exam outline, Salesforce Fundamentals. So in Salesforce Fundamentals, generally questions related to declarative versus programmatic customization, AppExchange solutions, like recognizing scenarios where third-party applications can be used or custom built has to be used, security features, like understanding all the sharing CRUD functionalities or security implementations, uh, sharing data sharing strategies, knowing how to create and customize reports and dashboards, mobile optimization, and chatter. The second module here that covers almost 22%, that is 13 questions, is data modeling and management. So, as the name itself says, it generally asks questions related to relationship types, data types, schema builders, data import and export, and so on. And the third section, with 28% of weightage, is business logic and process automation. Not only in this certification, but in general, when you are working on Salesforce, the process automation and business logic, this plays a key role. So if we go further, like roll up summary fields, validations, approval processes, and all the process automation tools like workflows, flows, and process automations, and all the best practice. So generally, any business that takes in CRM tool heavily relies on the topics that are discussed in this segment. So when you're preparing for the certification, not only for the certification, but in general also try to put more emphasis to understand this functionality better. And the fourth segment is user interface. That is of 17% weightage in the overall certification exam. And it contributes around 10 questions around custom options, custom buttons, links, and actions, lightning components, and programmatic customizations. So whatever changes you see on the UI side of it, that all those topics are discussed in this user interface. Finally, app deployment. That contributes around 10% of the overall exam and 6 questions approximately. In this segment, you will learn you will get questions around application lifecycle management, like deployment stages and why we use what sandbox. The questions like this would come in, and change sets, managed and unmanaged packages. So the difference between managed packages and unmanaged packages, and how do you plan a deployment. So all these things are discussed here. And my personal experience out of the exam set I've got, I think most of the questions I got are around Salesforce fundamentals and data modeling and management. And for some strange reason, I've received a very few questions on flows, but it can be different in your case. I would like to point out what this certification prepares us for rather than how to prepare for this certification. The reason why I'm emphasizing this is we are done past the days where admins only do the administrator work. Nowadays, all the companies expect their admins to do low code configurations or implementations. So it becomes really important for us as a platform app builders to understand process automation, security, and data modeling and other aspects of the Salesforce org that keeps data integrity and some level of automation where things are quite easy when we are doing sales, service, or finance side of it. To start with, I'd like to highlight some super badges Trailhead provides, and I shall provide the link in the description section. So, data quality specialist and data model operation specialist, process automation specialist, security specialist, and all these specialized certs are under app builder. It is understandable that it'll definitely hamper the speed at which you prepare for the certification, but in the hindsight, if you are new to Salesforce and you want to know how to configure and how to be confident with your Salesforce implementations, I think doing this super badges is really helpful, because the challenges provided are pretty much real-time challenges, and that gives a very solid foundation when you go through these badges. If you are quite experienced with Salesforce ecosystem, then I think you might not have to go through all these super badges, since you already have a very good hands-on knowledge there. But if at all you are new to this Salesforce ecosystem and just finished with your admin certification, then I would definitely recommend you all to do these super badges. And these super badges has got some sub super badges as well. But yeah, it is lengthy to go through all these things, but it'll definitely add value to your Salesforce journey. ChatGPT has become a resource for almost everything we are doing in our day-to-day lives. This is a prompt I've given. I've given all the sections in the certification exam with the topics discussed in each of the sections, and the way I would want ChatGPT to ask me the questions. There's no strict way to play this game. The way you play make the game rules. Hit the like button if you think this video is helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please post it in the comment section, and subscribe to Cloud Applied for more of this content. Wish you all good luck for your preparation and certification. See you in the next video.